Welcome to a voyage into the forgotten realms of ancient history, a journey to a time before the Vedic texts shaped the Indian subcontinent's spiritual and cultural landscape. This is the story of Pre-Vedic India, a civilization whose echoes still resonate through the ages. Join us as we unravel the mysteries and legacies of a world that laid the foundation for one of humanity's most enduring cultures. Our exploration begins in the fertile valley of the Indus River, where one of the earliest urban civilizations emerged around 2500 BCE. This civilization, known as the Indus Valley Civilization, was a marvel of early urban development and sophistication. The ruins of cities such as Harappa and Mohenjo-daro reveal a civilization that was advanced in urban planning. The cities were laid out in a precise grid pattern, featuring well-planned streets and sophisticated drainage systems. The standardization of bricks and construction techniques suggests a high degree of administrative control and coordination. Artifacts from this period include intricately carved seals, pottery, and figurines. The seals, some bearing enigmatic script, hint at a complex system of communication and trade. Despite extensive study, the script remains undeciphered, leaving many aspects of Harappan society shrouded in mystery. Daily life in the Indus Valley was diverse and dynamic. The Harappans were skilled artisans, producing a wide range of goods including jewelry, textiles, and metalwork. Trade networks connected them with distant regions, including Mesopotamia, highlighting their role in a broader economic framework. Agriculture formed the backbone of Harappan society. The fertile plains of the Indus Valley supported the cultivation of staple crops such as wheat and barley. The domestication of animals like cattle and sheep played a crucial role in their agricultural and pastoral practices. Spiritual life in the Harappan civilization is suggested by various artifacts and structures. Figurines, such as the renowned dancing girl, and stone sculptures hint at religious and ceremonial activities. Some researchers propose that the Harappans may have practiced early forms of what would later be recognized as Hinduism. Ritual bathhouses and possible temples suggest the significance of ritual purification and worship in Harappan culture. However, the precise nature of their religious beliefs remains elusive, as no comprehensive religious texts have been discovered from this period. By around 1900 BCE, the Indus Valley Civilization began to decline. The reasons for this decline are still debated among scholars. Theories include climate change, shifts in river courses, and possible invasions by nomadic groups. The once flourishing cities gradually fell into disuse. As the Indus Valley Civilization faded, new groups began to migrate into the Indian subcontinent. These were the Indo-Aryans, whose arrival marked the beginning of the Vedic Age. This transition ushered in a new era, building upon and diverging from the legacies of the Harappan civilization. The Vedic period, commencing around 1500 BCE, is characterized by the emergence of texts known as the Vedas. These texts laid the foundation for many aspects of Hindu philosophy and societal structure. They reflect a period of significant cultural and spiritual development. The Vedic texts detail a society in transition, blending indigenous practices with new influences. The concept of dharma, or duty, and the varna system, which structured society into different classes, began to take shape during this time. Rituals and hymns from the Vedic texts offer insight into the evolving religious and social dynamics. Despite the changes brought about by the Vedic period, many elements of pre-Vedic culture persisted. Ritual practices, artistic motifs, and social structures from the Harappan era were absorbed into the Vedic framework. demonstrating a continuity that highlights the enduring nature of ancient Indian heritage. The legacy of pre-Vedic India is interwoven with the cultural and spiritual fabric of modern India. The ancient traditions, once rooted in the Indus Valley, continue to influence contemporary practices, embodying a rich tapestry of history that has evolved over millennia. As we conclude our exploration of pre-Vedic India, we are reminded of the depth and complexity of ancient civilizations. The legacy of the Indus Valley and the early Vedic texts underscores that history is not merely a sequence of events, but a continuum of cultural evolution. The past, with all its grandeur and mystery, continues to shape our present and guide our future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through pre-Vedic India. May the stories of our ancestors inspire us to seek knowledge, embrace diversity, and honor the rich heritage that binds us to the past. Special thanks to the archaeologists, historians, and scholars whose dedication has illuminated the ancient world. This exploration would not have been possible without their tireless efforts and passion for uncovering the secrets of our past.